Nirmala Kenyam kana sin kon la rice ni lianka rice ni ka Nuar online TV channel ka jen kwasmete kon kalerum kona ling gor no jin be jenwa kana sin ko ken ka shuja pero jen no jin be subscribe ka Nuar online TV channel an wale bana rache ke kiwut ka mishala do jen shohok ti shop ko bangwan che ka kwal bana duobo dana kwal ho to ka je bana je linkel ka duobo dana shanong ka ja chimenen yana mo ka turu kwasme gore ku subscribe ka ku notification bell ku je twany gwaye ler dan balin gwa sama shit kamen la kon le relin ka Nuar online TV channel shala do ne shi police ni rami sho kwal yen en wuda mo jen shok to shop ko bongwan che ka kwal shok to bongwan che ka kwal wuda mo shala do te kurun di jan ngwan wi de diok shimenen yana mo gwa sama ok jan ngwan wi de diok sha yen ko sha gwan ijen la ok la ka kwale mi chaje yeno chaje nang ka police station ke jan chaje nang luak yena ko jan chaje ko ram shok bangwan che ka kwal mi chaje te jo police ni shela do to pucho ko to che ka kwal lok dang bangwan ka do badana kwal ke o en ta ke queen makantu ka shien to da alo la ok nen ko ken la gulu ya kwal bo kam shien to de ko jan tele jo ok to jan kwal ke ka kwingu ka kwi shien to de ko bo okten ko no gor ke siento de bega tu ko mi yura ka pin a jarwa jada nan chalat re dwar ka warab state shaje should detain ke shaje yen bana jelinga gwa police in South Sudan warab state have arrested a 43 years old man suspected of stealing 9 cows in Gogrial West County. The suspect allegedly intended to use the stolen livestock to fulfill his dowry obligation to his in-law in neighboring northern Bargazal state. We have apprehended the suspect, Bull Moindeng, Jenshuri Shala Bull Moindeng, who ran away with 9 cows from his neighbor in Agukping village in Gogrial West County, Jangwaldan Wogwe Okwalton, and Bull Moindeng. Tuj Waldeng, the Gogrial West County Police Inspector, say that his two neighbors searched for him and spotted him in the market, alerting us to his presence. Wajen charge hon enaka market gwada dana chok chekanang. Ano ko re winten konen kweletin lawya kana wajen baga nang wajen dien no gwada dana la jen go shien to de sha kamok to wachu ana jogo no wudo mo ja ka market we are gore je biya jojektin and wudo chi ok chi kwale. Okay, Deng attributed the incident to the close proximity of the two states, which can facilitate criminal activities due to the closeness of the two neighboring communities. Some unscrupulous individuals take advantage of this proximity to engage in immoral acts. The suspect reportedly admitted to the theft, stating that he could not afford the 11 cows demanded by his in-law. A janete ok wel kele chala do dara yor pinga kwi kwene ka jane shaka de lwan kam yor ga pinya jan do brana we kwal ka je allo shi yor on pincha batch ka do brana chala ka je allo oktun ko ne da yor pinga kwi kwende je gwini jano ngwano dara ko kwal. Deng say that the suspect will be presented to the court along with the two individuals whose cow is stole. Wajen ko chong nen dangro yo kwal by the way kwal no ok dur dangro ok dang mo ngane kwal ko jani ajugo shinto den gurgo wel kel ko kwishik de cattle thieves remain a significant issue in these communities, often leading to cattle raid and intercommunal violence, as livestock hold a significant cultural and economic value. Gwada me wa do dana kwal ko je wa jen kriek ken dana ngut ka midita long re wini ten kontre we ka so Sudan kirga menen yenamo kwal ko we shik de we je kwen ka we je kwen ko to ton ok to kwal ne ka na modar gwa ram kwal ko ka jeno ette shek mu kwen angum mu kwen ka ji ko ok ne ko kien kwi jeno na moriem let kana kariem dien chala ro jen ba jen ka ko ken ne dang ro ko te jo kien cha ka kwal law kana woje do dien ba ko kan woje do dien ma lo yer na ki kwal ok na jin mital ji duoro ngu mi goro bi jing nen ko kien be kwal gwa yen ne ko na ling roje me de ram gwaro en wo de ran der ok der ko kwal der chek de der je kulo kwen ok to kwal ne ka nogo na mo ki ngu che yer na mo mini gwar pingwa samo jen dol ndana cha yen te kurun jen ngwande jok cha je yen ka do badanen chok nen ko kin cha kwal ka je chok bongwan cha ka kwal ko we shek de we ja kwen ko cha je jogono gor ko ko chok bongwan chen tore ok chok wel kel chen tore na me jen gor de nywa ye kel an biya ta kamal bye bye.